Welcome to another episode of Glamour Guru, where style and inspiration go hand in hand. Today's journey takes us into the vibrant world of red outfits and the art of crafting the perfect makeup look to complement them. Red, the color of passion, confidence, and allure, is more than just a color, it's a statement. An outfit in this bold hue is sure to turn heads and command attention. However, the magic doesn't stop at the outfit. The makeup plays a pivotal role in elevating the overall look. A makeup look that complements a red outfit needs to strike the perfect balance. It should enhance the overall look without overshadowing it. The journey to achieving this begins with a clean, moisturized face. Apply a primer to create a smooth base for the makeup, setting the stage for a flawless complexion. The next step calls for a lightweight foundation that matches the skin tone. Blend it in with a makeup sponge or brush, ensuring it extends to the neck for a seamless finish. This step lays the foundation for a radiant, natural look. The eyes are the windows to the soul. For them, we opt for simplicity to balance the boldness of red. Apply a neutral eyeshadow as a base, then add a touch of warmth with a soft brown shade in the crease for depth. Define the eyes with a subtle line of black or brown eyeliner on the upper lash line. A few coats of mascara will frame your gaze beautifully. Adding a flush of color to the cheeks with a rosy blush brings a youthful, radiant glow. Apply the blush to the apples of the cheeks, blending it upwards towards the temples. Now the piece de resistance, the lips. In the spirit of embracing the boldness of red, a classic red lip is the perfect choice. Choose a shade that complements the skin tone and apply it with a lip brush for precision. And there we have it, a makeup look that enhances the allure of a red outfit. To recap, the perfect makeup for a red outfit begins with a clean, moisturized face and a smooth primer base. A foundation that matches the skin tone and extends to the neck gives a natural, radiant look. Keep the eye makeup simple and subtle and add a flush of color to the cheeks with a rosy blush. A classic red lip ties the whole look together. Remember, the best accessory anyone can wear is confidence, so wear it like a crown and own that red outfit with style. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fashion and beauty inspiration. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep slaying in red. Goodbye for now.